Hey there guys, Lokia6 here, and today what I got here is another vintage fan find. This right here is a Lakewood K-23 box fan from the 1970s. This fan was in horrible condition, which it is. Front grille is missing, and the rear grille has took quite a beating here. You can see it's missing a big chunk right here, and it's missing a few slots here and there, and it's all dusty and grimy. The handle's broken, the frame is really rusty, and the cord has been chewed off twice. And whoever originally owned this fan electric taped it on one side, which is like this side right here, close to the fan bar right there. And the other side was near the original plug that it had. They apparently added a new plug to it after the original one was cut off. And by the looks of it, it seems like someone did take this apart before. They cleaned the blades on the front, but they didn't even bother to clean the blades on the back, which is kind of unusual because most of the time I see these fans just never serviced or cleaned. So, and it does in fact work, and the Kmart sticker is kind of peeling off there. So let's start off on the low. It's got a pretty nice startup sound to it when you start it up on high. I'll show you that in a bit. Oh, crap flying everywhere. Let's stop it. Here's a spin down. Yeah, it's quite quick, so it needs some servicing as well. But it's got a faint startup sound. Pretty cool, right? So yeah, that'll be about it for this video, and I'll see you in a follow-up video of the refurbishment of this fan, or like a post-refurbishment of this fan. So yeah, that's about it. Peace, guys.